Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, we have some key safes on the wall. This is the one we will use and recommend quite a lot. This is the ABUS 747 key garage. It's got the flap on the front, you lift it up. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to use it. So you put in your code. No, that's wrong. There's a reset button, there's an open button, and your code is pushed in one number each one once. You pull down this top one, you pop it open. It's got a 4-spot mounting. I've reused once I re-drilled another hole. I used the original fitting off one of these that was broken. Size-wise internally, you're probably getting about 50 mil, you're probably getting about 60 mil down, and you're probably getting about 80, 90 mil high. These are the ones we recommend. These are in our lock shop. To reset the code, if the arrows are pointing this way, it's on. If the arrows are pointing this way, it's off. Your little tool's up the top. These are available from our lock shop. This is the ABUS Key Garage 747. Thanks for watching.